Hello there, Fourth Dimension Trading Times. Sean here, update on energy and precious. So very quiet on energy. Both markets just moved sideways in very slow conditions. If we look at Brent, very quiet today, still unchanged in the technical picture, 77.02, the main resistance and breakdown point, and 62.20 below. Again, highlighting how slow it is. None of the short-term levels have moved at all. On to WTI, a very similar picture, breakdown point 73.42, daily close above there will put us back in sideways. And again, none of the short-term levels moving. One thing that could happen this week if we carry on going sideways is the point of most time it could move down. New weekly levels, first deviation up 72.60, extreme 80.94, and the first deviation down 63.20. Nat Gas has to get the vote for the most boring market for quite a while now. No change there, leave it alone. It's going to have to get above 3.467 for us to get interested. And on the short-term chart, no change on the levels as well. So in conclusion, oil trend is down, breakdown point 73.42, takes a daily close above here to put the market back in sideways. Now gas trend sideways and dead, continue to leave it alone. Supports and resistances, D for daily, W for weekly, M for monthly, and POMT for the point of most time. On to the dollar and precious. So the dollar index just moved sideways, pretty quiet. Gold and silver have continued to edge a little bit higher, and August gold is $12 above spot. So the dollar index trend moved into sideways last week, still got that major support and last breakout point at 100.01. Short term, no change in the levels, 101.36.5 and 100.32. First deviation up, 101.18, extreme 102.22. First deviation down, 99.99, and the extreme on the downside, 98.79. Gold and world currency a little bit higher. And then on COMEX, got above that 41.65.8 point. So we're in sideways with a positive bias. Next upside target historically 44.03.6. On the short-term chart, no change on any levels really. A daily close above 42.38.1 would open up the upside. Point of most time still a long way away, 45.32. And for the week, first deviation up 42.47, extreme 44.65.2. First deviation down 4,018.5. On to silver, again just move higher. Next upside target is 65.52.5, where some partial profits can be taken on longs because the trend is up. And on the short-term chart, no change in the levels. We've got a final one at 67.28. And on the week, first deviation up 61.49.5, extreme 70.31, first deviation down 56.15. So in conclusion, dollar index trend is sideways and the key support is at 100.01. Gold trend is sideways with a positive bias. Any longs, place your stop on a daily close below 39.55.4 if strategic, or 4,022.1. A daily close above 42.38.1, targets 44.03.6. Silver trend is up, no change on the stops, daily close below 56.13 if strategic, or 57.07.5. Next target 65.52.5. Doesn't feel like it, but markets do reverse or accelerate around holidays. Feels like precious did its reversing last week. And here are your supports and resistances. Okay, thank you.